world.
That's gonna be fun.
I was involved in the creation of TAG back in the late 1990s, and the technology community back then was very, very small. So unifying one TAG has really resulted in a dramatic impact for the positive. And looking back on it now, seeing the success of TAG and how it promotes and influences and educates those that are involved in our technology community is a dream come true. TAG has been a world-class membership-driven organization that has promoted and unified our technology industry, and which is driving economic growth. When I think about TAG's themes of connect, promote, educate, and influence, perhaps the one that resonates most with me is connection. TAG has been a connector for over 20 years, a connector of those of us in the technology industry. They have connected us to national, international, and other trade and business partners. TAG has connected us to Washington and regulators in our state government, and most importantly, TAG has connected us with the communities that we aspire to improve.
We are TAG.
We are TAG.
We are TAG.
My TAG story really began as TAG began. I have been involved in TAG in different forms and still very involved in TAG for 20 years. I brought in the first company-wide member organization to TAG, which was IBM, where I was at the time. And one of the things I've always believed about TAG is TAG can be whatever you want it to be. And for me, it has become not only the core, the source of my professional career, but it's also become my network of connections on a personal level, my friends. The thing about having a strong technology community is you need that. You need a foundation, you need a core to it that everything else can emanate and grow from, and that's TAG. This community wants to be a community. We want to rise and grow together. We want to support each other. We want to help both companies and entrepreneurs. TAG's helped organize that, helped make that a possibility for not only the community and the members of TAG, but also the TAG team themselves. When I think of the 4 pillars of TAG, which are to promote, to influence, to connect, and to educate this technology community, the one that stands out the most, because it is core to this community, is connecting. I find both my professional and personal growth and opportunities have come from the connections that I've made at TAG.
We are TAG.
We are TAG.
We are TAG.
We'll ask you some questions, and basically that's it. All right.
When I moved to Atlanta in 2002, I had a content management software company. And I realized at the time there wasn't a content management special interest group. And so in the early 2000s, I started the TAG Content Management Society. Through the Content Management Society is how I connected with a number of other Atlantans that were in our industry. And so TAG and being a leader of one of the societies was one of the most important things I did early in my career here in Atlanta. TAG is important to the Georgia ecosystem and the economy because it brings together like-minded individuals around a common cause. So much time is spent focusing on screens and phones that the human interaction, the face-to-face connection, is still the most important way to build rapport. And so TAG is the largest and most comprehensive organization that does that for the state. From the 4 pillars of TAG, the one that resonates most with me is the promote pillar. Using TAG as a way to promote all the great things that we have going on, we believe TAG is an important part of helping us achieve our goal of making Atlanta one of the top 10 best places for tech entrepreneurs to succeed in the United States.
We are TAG.
We are TAG.
We are TAG.
Together we connect,
Educate,
influence,
And promote
Georgia's technology ecosystem
to advance the innovation economy.